and our respected ma'am Dr. Archana Rawat. Today we are standing for you
voice खींचो जरा जोर से
to present to present a topic on Gurukul. So we all are students of Jalandhar Education College, which is in Introduction, and this topic comes under B.Ed Virtual. Okay, then this topic comes under B.Ed Virtual Contemporary and Children Society, and this topic is done under the guidance of Archana Rawat ma'am. And in this topic, we are four members like me, Saili, Simran, and Priya. So we have contributed our equal contribution in this presentation. And going forward to the next slide, which is the introduction of the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. So Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao represents a meaning of educate the girl child and save the girl child. So and this topic was launched in the year 2000, on 22nd of January by our honorable this topic was in the year 2020. The number of girls reducing day by day, and it was become 916 per girl of 1,000 boys. So considering all the facts, our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a scheme which is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, which focus more on safe girls, to protect them and to empower our girls and women, and give them the proper laws, proper rights to learn more, to educate more, and to build our nation. And moving forward to the next slide, my friend Saili is going to introduce you the next slide.
Good afternoon. The three pillars of scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao are protection, education, and participation. In protection pillar, the most important thing of this scheme is to reduce the ratio of abortion, sex-determined abortion. So the second is education. After protecting the girl, the education to educate her is the main objective of the scheme, and then its participation to develop the skill empowerment and increase the percentage of women in economy. Next, under the BDB scheme, it has three linkages. This is a tri-ministerial effort. The Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Health and Wellness, and Ministry of Education. Second, in financial year 2021-22, the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was embedded under Mission Shakti. And third, to give parents of the girl child a financial stability and security for her marriage and for her graduation or further education. Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana was launched, which offers 7.1% annual rate of interest. The first matrix starting of this scheme was in 2011. The census was conducted where alarming situation came 980 girls for 100,000 boys in age of 0 to 6. Now current ratio is 937. The next objective of this scheme was bridging the educational gap. In 2014 to 15, 35% was the enrollment ratio. In 21-22, it came up to 80%. The third objective of the scheme was health and survival, institutional deliveries. It was from 61%, it came to 97%. So next my friend Simran will continue the presentation.
Here are the combating social injustice, like in the best 2015 and 16 NI Budget 4, it shows 41%, and 2019 and 21 it shows 35%. from the so I have gone to national this builders like biggest history of the green child and self-with daughters like the big revolution changing our mindset, and in that we have community trials in that taking the message to the grassroots level and in the local languages means हम जाके publicity करते हैं.
प्रॅक्टिकलचं नाव हे आहे का प्रॅक्टिकल
Next is selfie with the daughter where parents can take a selfie with the daughter, and next is Buddhi Guru board. Display birth statistics in the Panchayat.
एक कोण आहे सुनेत्रा वटके
This Haryana turnaround.
Practical
It's all over the India.
माधवी प्रॅक्टिकलचं टायटल काय आहे
The case study Maharashtra State is display like district Pune baseline 876 and current status is 940 plus and the improvement is significant. Next state average in that we have 900 baseline and current status 930 and improvement is positive. Yes, now my friend is will take you further.
Dr. Everyone, now I am taking care of the role of the teacher, the classic with zero tolerance, in which we can identify the reporting dropouts of this girl child immediately. So in that case, we have to take the girl child
मध्ये काय
only for
केलं
the primary level education, and at the same time we have to promote and take the higher education or secondary education. And then should be there. The next one is the tracking dropouts, the counseling parents and the awareness. In case of the awareness, after the revision for the year of 2047, for that year we are thinking for the Visit Bharat, in which that is nothing but the developed country, and for that we are thinking for the goals for the 2000 till the year of 2047, which will considered in this, that is the workforce participation, in which we are increasing the women's participation from 25% to 50%. Other than the state, that is the science, technology, engineering and management, in which the girl child should be getting more opportunities for the job. And after the social equity, that there is no gender discrimination between the girl and boy, that is acceptable by the society and all the people of the area as well. Thank you so much.